All right, today we're gonna do a video of a Amada-Wasino grinder. It was new in 2001. It has a FANUC 20IF control. We have a basic little program that we put in the machine. Start the table. You can adjust how fast the table oscillates by this switch here. We're going to do just a quick basic cycle. Wheel comes on. The wheel is variable up to 5,000 RPM. It's running at about 1,000 right now. You can turn it up. That's about 2,000. That's about 3,500. Nice and quiet. And that's about 4,500-ish, around there. Table's moving in and out right now. Coming across. You can see the graphics on the screen is showing what it's doing. Going out to a spark out. When the cycle ends, the table will come over and park. Underneath the wheel right now, you have a 3-point dresser. I'll jog the axes around manually so you can hear the ball screws. That's your up and down. You also have in and out here, nice and smooth. And you can also manually move your table. The machine is presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power. Thank you for watching.